All right. Oh, whoa. You saw that, Mia? Oh, what letter is that? Ay, huh? Letter
C.
oh, C? Let me see. Hey, it's the letter C. Ooh, how about this one, Mia? Like, what can we make with letter C? Like, what is this? What's that, Mia? What is that? Yeah, that's the one. Cat, huh? That's right, Mia. Cat. Okay, so C. Oh, that is not so nice. That's make it a little bit nicer. So C, A, N, T, huh? Cat. All right. It's a duck, Mia? Yes? No. True? False? Yes? No. Is it duck? Yes, huh? True. Okay. Next one. Okay, here we go. Let's see here. It's a cow. Let me see. Is it a cow? It's a cow?
Just a cow, man.
Yes? No. No, huh? It's not a cow. That's a horse. Okay, next one. Here we go. It's a piggy. Piggy, 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 piggy. It's a pig? A dancing pig. Yes? No, Mia. Yes, huh? Okay, that's a piggy. A dancing pig.